This is my revenue from one of my websites. It's around $3,000 per month. This website has no content, no blog post, and gets around 100,000 visitors every single month. And all this happened in less than 1 year. In the next few minutes, I will show you how I did this. And if you follow exactly what I'm going to share with you today, in 2023, you can build a stable online income without worrying about blog posts, writing, content ideas, and waiting for Google for 6 months to rank your website. If you are ready, let's start. Okay friends, in this video we are going to cover the following. The idea, what we are going to build, what is this special types of website that you can make money from without writing any blog post. Of course, I'm not here to talk about e-commerce or selling products or dropshipping. Of course no. Something way easier and you don't need any paid ads. Number 2, how to build this website. I will share with you some secrets from my own websites, from my own business that will help you build something really super fast. Without wasting more time, let's start with the idea. So what we are going to build, in simple words, it's about building a website with one or multiple free tools. Let me show you some examples from my website. Large File Sender, a simple tool that allows you to send files over the internet. Fast Domainer, a simple tool allows you to search for domain names. Text Sharing, a simple tool allows you to share text over the internet. EatSuperTools.com, a set of free marketing tools. And in a few seconds, I will share with you some secrets on how I built these tools, especially the AI tools, and how you can do the same without being a developer or coding and so on. So all these are my websites, and what I'm trying to do is building multiple income streams. So each website is an income stream, and you can do also the same. So let's now see how we can build similar websites, how we can do this. We have mainly 4 ways. Number 1 is to go to CodeCanyon, buy a script, host it, white label it, and that's it. But be careful. If thousands of people went to CodeCanyon and bought exactly the same scripts, the competition will be very high. So a simple advice, if you want to go to CodeCanyon, make sure firstly to pick the right scripts, high quality scripts. Number 2, check the competition, how many sales. And number 3, make sure to white label it. And an extra tip is to buy multiple scripts and host under the same domain, so you can have multiple tools under one website. This will make you somehow unique and stand out in the competition. Anyway, the second way to build a tools website is simply by hiring a developer. If you have an idea, you have a budget, you can always go to freelancer.com, Upwork, and hire someone to develop your tool for you. Number 3 is using no-code tools like Webflow, like Bubble.io, or using semi-no-code tools like Anvil. Last week, I tested building a free email checker. With Anvil, I developed this tool in 15 minutes and hosted in 15 minutes. It's an awesome tool with 1 line of code with Python, and the interface is simply drag and drop. In a couple of minutes, you can build a tool. And what's nice, you can also embed the tool inside your WordPress website. So no need to get a different domain, different hosting, or simply you can host it under your subdomain. So the tool will help you get more backlinks and signals to your main domain, help you get higher ranking on Google. Now it's time to reveal some secrets. But before, I want to tell you something really very important. If you feel by watching these couple of minutes that the idea is somehow difficult, hard to implement, requires a lot of skills, time, and effort, okay, maybe you are right. Let me be honest. Yes, it requires some time, some effort, but think about it. Think about working 1-2 hours for like 6 months and building a stable income online. Don't you think it deserves? In my humble opinion, yes, it deserves. And in my experience, this is one of the best methods, the best strategies I use to build an income stream online. And please come on, if you open now your mobile phone and go to your screen time, how many hours you spend on your mobile phones? 1, 2, maybe 6, 8 hours? Just dedicate 1 hour every day to learn a skill, maybe programming, development, digital marketing, and you will see how your life really will change in a couple of months. 1 hour a day, you will have all the knowledge and the mindset to build a real online business and change your life. Anyway, let's go back now and reveal some secrets from my own websites. How to build these tools websites, especially the AI tools. How I did this. If you go now to H Super Tools and open the AI generator tool, maybe you are wondering how I developed this tool. It's simple. For the interface, as I told you can use Anvil or any no-code tools with drag and drop and build the interface. What about the back end, the data? How I am getting AI generated content? Simply, we can use two APIs, the OpenAI and NLP Cloud. Simply call the API, you will get the text and present or give it to the user. That's it. This is how I do it. And if you go to NLP Cloud, the playground now, you will see a lot of ideas, a lot of tools that you can build right now with simple line of codes and building an interface with no-code tools. Just give it some time, do some research. Okay, so now we build the website. We have it. What's next? Simply, you need to monetize it. We need to make money from this website. You can do this with ad spaces, ad networks, affiliate marketing. You can use my 10 proven methods to promote affiliate links and combine with this website to multiply your revenue and build multiple income streams with affiliate marketing simply by watching this video here. Learn my proven methods, apply them today, and if you have any questions, I'll be waiting for you in the comments section below. See you later.